Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you our brand new release of Beas Manufacturing 2024.11. In this version, we concentrated on the integration with Produmex WMS, usability improvement for the workstation terminal, and a large number of bug fixes in various areas such as MRP, work order, and quality control. The quality control transfer screen now supports WMS quality status. These new fields are added in the QC transfer screen or Produmex WMS systems. In the quality status from field, you can find the quality status of the item to be transferred. This is not editable. With the quality status to field, you can select the destination QC status value. Only valid quality status values are displayed in the drop-down list for the current quality status. In the reason code list, you can select a quality status reason code from the drop-down list. This field is only editable if the Ask for Reason field is also enabled in WMS. In the Change Reason text field, you can add your own notes or explanation for the change reason. This field is editable if the Requires Extra Reason Text WMS field is enabled in the WMS Organizational Structure Reasons tab. Here you can see the aforementioned settings in the WMS organizational structure. You must enable them so that the new Beas fields, reason code, and ask for reason would be visible and functioning in the Beas QC transfer window. Part of our bug fixing activities was in the area of unit of measure groups. In this function, Beas did not validate the active flag for unit of measure conversions in the group definition and considered all of them. Now the system only considers unit of measure groups that are marked as active. The workstation terminal includes two new customizable events to set the menu view. The terminal display buttons before event allows modification of the e-access group parameter, which determines the menu to display. If this parameter is left empty, the system will be set to the machine's predefined settings. The terminal display buttons after event enables users to further alter button display logic, such as showing a different button list, removing certain buttons, or applying specific logic to existing buttons before the screen appears. These events provide users with greater flexibility in customizing button behavior and applying actions once all buttons are displayed. In the example on the right, we override the terminal display buttons before event to display a custom list of buttons. Rather than loading button definitions from user settings, we read the button definitions specified in the terminal settings within the Workstation Settings wizard. This concludes our introduction to the 2024.11 version of Beas Manufacturing. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2025.02 to be released at the end of February 2025. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much, and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.